Inside Investigation. Sinkholes.
They spell financial ruin for homeowners, but 8 on Your Side has been finding more and more cases where sinkholes are kept hidden beneath the ground. And in several of these cases, it's the real estate professionals who sort of drop the ball.
So why does this keep happening, and who's going to be there to protect home buyers? 8 on Your Side investigator Shana Bacon joins us now with more information. This is news you can use because you need to protect yourself.
You do, and something as simple as checking public records can uncover these hidden sinkholes, and some realtors do this for their clients, but some don't, and that's why it's so important to know how to check for yourself. You have the insurance to fix it.
Before realtor Laura Rivera shows a house to a home buyer, she checks public records.
I think it's horrible.
Rivera recently found this scary sinkhole label, even though there was no mention of that on real estate disclosure forms. She alerted the listing agent and saved her buyer a big heartache.
A few days later, they marked it sinkhole and they lowered the price.
Sinkhole disclosure is a growing problem. Our 8 on Your Side investigations have been all over it. We found sellers misled buyers on real estate disclosure forms, sticking the new homeowners with their sinkhole houses. In our most recent case, none of the realtors involved checked public records. So given what your agent knew, do you think she did enough to disclose this problem?
She disclosed exactly what the seller had told her.
That's why it's so important to check public records for yourself. State and county laws require sinkhole activity to be recorded, so it's there in the files, you just have to check. But every county is different. We found in Hernando County, known for sinkhole activity, it's labeled in big red letters. Hillsborough has a map you can search for all known sinkholes. This kind of checking should be a must for buyers.
And right there in red is confirmed sinkhole activity.
The Rivera hopes recent publicity is a reminder to fellow realtors, too.
But they need you to help them through the whole buying process. It's a big process. So I think the agents and everyone should just check. It just should be an automatic thing. It takes 2 seconds. Even more information can be found. Confirmed engineers are required to record that information. So it's there, you just have to look for it.
Okay, but that makes me wonder if the sinkhole is fixed. Is that there too? Do you know that?
It should be there too, but that's again why it's important to keep checking for that, because the most important thing is to find out if it's not there, if it's not fixed.